Hello, and welcome back. Today we're diving into something exciting. Khloé Kardashian's handpicked favorites that went on sale during Amazon Prime Day 2025. If you've ever wondered what kinds of products a style icon, businesswoman, and wellness enthusiast like Khloé actually uses and recommends, this is your chance to find out. I've done the research, gathered the highlights, and now I'm going to walk you through the deals and why these items stood out to her. Whether you're into skincare, home organization, fitness, or travel essentials, there's something in this list for everyone. A closer look at Khloé's beauty and skincare picks. Khloé has always been admired for her glowing skin, and one of her go-to staples is sunscreen. She swears by EltaMD UV Facial Sunscreen SPF 46, a dermatologist-loved formula that comes in both clear and tinted versions. She has mentioned that she applies it not only on her face, but also on her hands, neck, and chest to protect against sun damage every day. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. If you're someone who struggles to find a sunscreen that doesn't feel heavy, this one is worth checking out. Another favorite in her skincare routine is the Kitsch Dermaplaning Tool. If you've ever wanted smoother skin or a better base for makeup, this tool helps remove peach fuzz and gently exfoliates. Khloé has highlighted that it's an easy, at-home way to refresh your complexion without spending a fortune on professional treatments. Travel essentials she loves. Anyone who follows Khloé knows she's constantly on the move, whether it's for work, family, or a well-deserved vacation. That's why she has shared a few travel essentials that she relies on. First up are packing cubes. These simple organizers may not look glamorous, but they make packing so much easier. They keep outfits sorted, save space in your luggage, and make unpacking at your destination stress-free. If you've ever struggled with an overflowing suitcase, you'll understand why these are a game-changer. Another essential on her list is the Soundcore Anker P20i True Wireless Earbuds. Khloé likes them for their sleek design, long battery life, and clear sound quality. Whether she's working out, traveling, or just relaxing, having a dependable pair of earbuds is a must. Comfort is also a priority for her. She recommends the TushGuard Seat Cushion, which is perfect for long flights, road trips, or even just sitting at your desk. It's portable and designed to give extra support, making travel less stressful on your body. Home and organization favorites. Khloé has always been known for her love of a well-organized home. If you've ever seen her pantry or closet tours, you know she's serious about keeping everything neat and tidy. One product she often highlights is the ClearSpace plastic storage bin. These versatile organizers can be used in the fridge, pantry, bathroom, or even for office supplies. They're stackable, durable, and keep everything visible at a glance. Another home pick she's a fan of is the 12-in-1 vegetable chopper. For someone who is health-conscious but busy, this tool makes meal prep so much easier. It chops, slices, and dices vegetables quickly, saving time in the kitchen. It's a simple product, but it fits perfectly into her lifestyle where wellness and convenience go hand in hand. For hair care, Khloé trusts the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. Known for repairing and strengthening hair, this product has been a favorite of many celebrities, and Khloé is no exception. It helps maintain shine, reduces damage, and keeps her locks looking healthy despite frequent styling. Fitness and lifestyle must-haves. Wellness and fitness have always been important parts of Khloé's routine, and some of her Prime Day picks reflect that. She has shared her love for the Hydrow Pro Rowing Machine, a high-tech piece of equipment that delivers a full-body workout while simulating the feeling of rowing on water. It's an investment, but it's also a way to bring gym-quality training into your home. On the lighter side, she also recommended practical items like Post-it super sticky notes. As a busy entrepreneur and mom, staying organized is crucial for her. Something as simple as sticky notes keeps her daily tasks manageable. And for a little touch of everyday luxury, she mentioned the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. It's a small appliance, but it keeps fresh ice ready at all times, whether for entertaining guests or just making hydration more fun. Why her picks matter. What makes Khloé's list so interesting is how relatable it is. Yes, she has access to the best of the best, but her recommendations aren't all high-end splurges. They're a mix of affordable, practical products alongside a few luxury items. From skincare staples to travel gadgets, her choices reflect a lifestyle that balances beauty, wellness, and organization. For fans, it's inspiring to see which products she personally uses, but even if you're not a follower, this list doubles as a curated shopping guide. Many of these items are well-reviewed, widely loved, and smart buys even outside of Prime Day. Final thoughts. Khloé Kardashian's Prime Day 2025 picks cover so many aspects of daily life: protecting your skin, staying comfortable on the go, organizing your home, and keeping your wellness routine on track. The best part is that most of these products are accessible and easy to bring into your own lifestyle. So, if you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine, streamline your travel, or get inspired for home organization, this list is a great place to start. And that's a wrap on today's story. Thank you so much for watching and spending time here with me. If you enjoyed learning about Khloé Kardashian's favorite products and want more updates like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know which of these picks you'd actually try, or if you already own any of them. Until next time, take care and happy shopping!